Why spend hundreds of dollars on dealership paint sealant when you can do it yourself with the same long-lasting shine and protection that you get from the pros? Flitz Ceramic Sealant gives virtually any hard surface a water-resistant hard-shell finish, long-lasting protection in an easy-to-apply spray. Silicone-free Flitz Ceramic Sealant is perfect for cars, boats, RVs, countertops, firearms, kitchen and bath fixtures, and so much more. Water-based Flitz Ceramic Sealant is safe on all metals, all paints, fiberglass, isinglass, clear coats, gel coats, plastics, granite, marble, glass, corian, quartz, and all man-made hard surfaces. Flitz Ceramic Sealant protects against salt, water stains, UV rays, and bugs. First, spray on a clean surface. There's no need to let it dry. Then wipe in and wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Flitz water-based silicone-free ceramic sealant protects up to a full year, is made in the USA, and the results are guaranteed. Increased shine and longer protection. No whitening, no talc, no buffing, no swirl marks. Resists engine heat and sunlight. For best results, apply in temperatures of 40 to 85 degrees. In extreme weather conditions, apply a second coat after 48 hours to protect against salt and magnesium chloride. Store at room temperature and do not freeze. Flitz Ceramic Sealant is extremely slippery, so keep the spray off of all walking surfaces.